Hey, what's up, you guys? So, Nick here with Pink Hat Photography. We have talked a lot in the past about doing studio photography and working with models and clients. One of the really important things about taking photos professionally is getting the photos that your client wants. Now, if at all your client is dissatisfied, we discussed that in this video right up here, where it is important to make sure that they are 100% satisfied with everything that you give them. And I've actually talked to some photographers who are in the mindset that no matter what you do, a client will never be happy. That's on them. I have had clients that were unhappy and we redid the photo session. That is the importance of keeping clients and word of mouth. So in this video right here, Molly and I set out, she had a very specific look that she wanted. She wanted kind of harsh shadows, but still a soft feel to it. And we started out by using the studio strobe. We have the A7 III, the Sony A7 III, as well as the Samyang 50mm f1.4. At the time we were using a Neewer studio light, and we couldn't get the look that she wanted right away. So I'm going to show you that part. That's the first half of this video, is us trying to figure out exactly the look that she wants by changing up lights, changing up positions, changing up modifiers, and the communication with her. The second half of the video, we finally figured out exactly what she meant and what she wanted in these photos. We used the K&F Concept Black Mixed filter and the Neewer 660 RGBs in order to achieve the look that she wanted. But that's the importance of working with a client to get absolutely the look that they want, and that is why it is important to show your clients your photos as you're taking them so that they can say, well, I don't really like the way this looks, I don't really like the way that this outfit looks, and that gives them the opportunity to change things up so they are 100% satisfied with every single photo that you take. So please subscribe. Let's jump into the video. It's mostly a behind the scenes video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah, the glitters really pop out.
Damn. I wish, because I know it would be a nightmare for you to screw with your lights, but that literally to me looks like a old Hollywood portrait.
Yeah.
And but having the dark contrasting, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't know the right way to describe it, but it's 110% different lighting than that. But maybe you're a Photoshop guru and you know exactly what I'm saying.
Not a huge, but I think I know what you're saying. You want the contrast to be a little bit darker.
Contrast darker, yep, and then just overall darker photo. And not necessarily the weird sepia vignette that you can just do on
I got you.
Any
I got you.
software ever.
Let's give this a try.
A more, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
The sophisticated version of when you go do the saloon portraits with your family. It's just gonna be so nice. Okay,
like that?
Great.
Is that what you're looking for?
Well, just the lighting in general. No, actually, yeah. Probably once you darken that after, it'll be what I'm talking. Let me see. Hold on.
Oh, wait, you know what? I got one more setting I just changed. Let's try it one more time.
Okay. I'll just find my phone because I am intrigued if we're on the same page.
Okay.
Such a strategic sit down. That didn't work at all.
Still not quite. Let me try that. Because I know I have a pretty good idea what you're going for. I'm getting close?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, I don't know how to describe it. So I'm also just not being helpful to you in the vintage lighting. Boom. Feeling better about that. Oh, I'll give you a foot pop. What was I thinking? Nice. Yeah. Much better shape. And
You got that harsher shadow too.
so good.
That adds more to that noir style.
Okay, so what I'm curious about is if you can time it with me, that I'm gonna do this little rock, and I'm going to rock, and then I'm gonna pop, and so in theory, the tassels will be moving back with my foot pop.
Okay.
If that makes sense.
Yeah, I don't know how fast that light is, but we will make it work. If I've got to get the spotlight out, we will.
Even if I just need to do this, just to have some movement, any movement, and it just ends up working, you just tell me when to pop my foot.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
I didn't think about my face, so that might not be the cutest thing that's ever happened.
That one?
Yes.
And
yeah, that one. Great.
that one came out awesome. I'm gonna back up just a hair. We'll try that again.
Oh, the pearls.
The
I
pearls.
can play with the pearls here.
Do you want to bring your other hand up just a hair? Just like that. And that's gonna kind of,
Soften it.
yeah. Yeah, it should, hopefully. If everything goes as planned. Like my ability to put this together. Hey, look, there we go. Okay, now I can have a little more. Now we can shoot a little bit faster too. And actually, I think you're really gonna dig this.
Okay.
Is that more what you were looking for?
Yep.
Yes.
So can we do a couple, just like chest up,
Yeah.
look into the light. Straight on.
So I'm gonna come a little closer, about right there.
Nice.
That one though.
Nice. Yep. Great. And then chest up.
Yes.
Try a couple chest up, and then like literally like I'm gonna face the light and have you, yep, at an angle.
Look right at me with just your eyes. Perfect. Come on, camera. Concentrate.
I like that with the brick in the background. Good call.
Yeah, no, the brick in the background really makes that one. So actually, you read my mind. You read my mind.
Yes. Can do.
So this one looks, oh, that is, I can't wait for you to see this one.
Twist the shit out of my body. Yep, great. I'm gonna do a couple more with me looking at you. Okay, wait, actually, can I switch the focus? Wow, it feels so much more natural on the other side, but here we are.
I keep expecting the strobe to go off. I'm thinking, oh no, the photos aren't gonna turn out.
Oh, that's nice.
That long, long shadow. Stand right here, actually.
Okay.
A little closer, right there.
Okay.
Because then we got that really good shadow.
Oh, fair.
And then,
I almost want to do these like this.
yeah.
If that makes sense.
No, it totally does.
Would you want to come this way instead?
The shine, though, the shine is...
Yeah. Oh, that's so fun.
And then that long, long shadow.
Yep. Are you able to get far back enough to make those almost full body or not?
Yeah, I can. So there you guys have it, the first portion of the video taken with Molly. Once we figured out exactly the look that she wanted, we did a bunch of stuff with her dancing, and that video is going to be out next week. So make sure that you guys are subscribed and your notifications are turned on so you guys can watch the awesome dance footage that Molly and I were able to capture. At 5,000 subscribers, I am giving away a Nikon D5100 with a 50mm Yongnuo f1.8 lens. I'll catch you all on the flip side. Bye.